Have you ever noticed some people start from nothing and still succeed, while others keep working hard but their life never changes? It's not luck, it's not talent. And psychology explains exactly why. Stay till the end, because one small mindset shift can completely change how people see you and how your life moves forward. Most people wake up every day with big plans. I'll change my life. I'll start tomorrow. I'll become successful. But days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into years. And nothing really changes. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. Human behavior naturally chooses comfort over growth. And that's where most people lose. Psychology says the brain is designed to protect energy, not create success. Your mind prefers scrolling instead of learning, talking instead of doing, planning instead of acting. Because comfort feels safe. But here's the problem. What feels safe today often creates regret tomorrow. Successful people don't have stronger motivation. They simply act despite discomfort. Think about your own life. How many ideas did you leave unfinished? How many goals started with excitement, but ended with excuses? The truth hurts. Failure usually isn't lack of ability. It's lack of consistency, and consistency is boring. That's why most people quit. Here's something powerful. People who win in life don't chase motivation. They build systems. They show up even when they don't feel ready. They improve 1% daily. Psychology calls this behavioral conditioning. Small, repeated actions rewire your brain. At first it feels hard, then it feels normal, then it becomes identity. You stop trying to be successful. You become the type of person who succeeds. Imagine two versions of yourself. One keeps waiting for the perfect time. The other starts today, imperfect, unsure, but moving. After 1 year, their lives look completely different. Not because of luck, but because of daily decisions no one noticed. Success is rarely one big moment. It's small choices repeated silently. So if you feel stuck right now, remember this. You don't need a new life. You need new daily actions. Stop announcing plans, start building habits. Let results make the noise. One day, people will ask how you changed so much. They won't see the quiet mornings, the discipline, the small improvements. But you will know, because real transformation happens silently. If this video made you think differently, subscribe. Because the next video might be the one that changes your mindset forever.